Ever felt stuck because your Python code runs so slowly when handling a large dataset? Or maybe you have seen mind-blowing AI projects but you have no idea how to start working with big data yourself. If you have been wondering how tools like ChatGPT processes languages, how self-driving cars read camera images, or how companies analyze millions of transactions in a second, NumPy can process massive data up to 50x faster than regular Python lists. Almost every machine learning framework, from TensorFlow to PyTorch, relies on NumPy. Libraries like OpenCV use NumPy array to store and manipulate image data. Pandas, SciPy, Matplotlib all built on top of NumPy and the array structure. Whether in finance, healthcare, robotics, or gaming, NumPy is the common language of data. By the end of this playlist, you will go from zero to confidently working with NumPy arrays, functions, and real-world AI examples. So stop saying NumPy and start doing NumPy. If you find this video is helpful, like and subscribe to this channel.